Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 350 Introduction to Statistics for Social Workers course. My name is Dr. Victor Bulaka, and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course. Statistics might seem intimidating at first, but we will work together and explore the statistical tools that can empower you as a social worker. By the end of this course, you'll see how statistics can help us make better decisions, evaluate programs, and advocate for meaningful change in the lives of individuals, families, and communities. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of what you can expect in this class, including how we'll approach learning statistics, the role of participation, and how this knowledge connects to real-world social work practice. I'm really looking forward to getting to know each of you and working together this semester. Let me take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Professor Victor Barlaka, and I use he, him pronouns. I'm a Ukrainian American with a professional background in social work and research. Throughout my career, I've worked extensively with children, youth, families, and communities, focusing on their strengths, challenges, and resilience. My experience in both practice and research um, has shaped my commitment to evidence-based approaches in social work, which is why I'm so passionate about teaching this course. In addition to teaching, I conduct research in areas such as mental health, family dynamics, and the well-being of vulnerable populations. If you're curious, you can check out some of my work on Google Scholar. I encourage you to explore my research. It will give you a sense of how statistics are applied in real-world settings to improve lives. The purpose of this course is to equip you as future social workers with skills to use and interpret descriptive and inferential statistics in your practice. Why is this important? In social work, we often rely on data to understand the challenges faced by individuals, families, and communities. Statistics allow us to make informed decisions, evaluate the effectiveness of our interventions, and advocate for evidence-based policies. By the end of this course, you'll feel confident analyzing data, interpreting results, and applying this knowledge to support meaningful, data-driven change in the social work field. Whether it's measuring program outcomes, understanding community trends, or advocating for resources, the tools you learn here will become an essential part of your professional toolkit. In this course, you'll learn a variety of foundational concepts and skills that will prepare you to integrate statistics into your social work practice. Here's a brief overview of what we'll cover. Introduction to statistics. We'll start with the basics, including understanding data types, key concepts, and the role of statistics in research and practice. Univariate statistics. Here you'll learn how to summarize and describe data using measures like mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, essential tools for understanding single variables. Bivariate and multivariate statistics will explore here the relationships between two and more variables, learning how to identify patterns, correlations, and causal connections. These skills will help you analyze more complex social issues. And applying research to social work practice here, finally, will focus on how to translate statistical findings into actionable steps, integrating evidence-based research into real-world social work interventions and decision-making. This week, we'll begin by reviewing the course syllabus to ensure you're familiar with all expectations, assignments, and important deadlines. The syllabus is your guide to this course, outlining everything you need to know, including course objectives, like what we aim to accomplish together, weekly schedule, a breakdown of topics, readings, and assignments, grading criteria, how your work will be evaluated, and policies and expectations, so about course participation, academic integrity, and more. Please take some time to read through the syllabus carefully this week. It'll help you stay organized and set you up for success. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to reach out to me. I want to make sure you feel confident about what's ahead. Before you email me with a question, I ask that you take a moment to pause and try the following steps. Ask a classmate. Sometimes your peers might have the answer you're looking for, and it's a great way to collaborate and build connections. Check the syllabus and Canvas. Many common questions about assignments, deadlines, and course policies can be found there. That said, I also want you to know that I'm here to support you. If you've checked these resources and still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Lastly, I want to be transparent. Sometimes I make mistakes, and if you notice something that seems off, whether it's a typo or discrepancy in due date or anything else, please let me know. I truly appreciate your feedback and teamwork as we navigate this course together. In this course, you'll complete practice questions worth a total of 35 points designed to help you build and reinforce your statistical skills. Here's what to expect. Practice question one. You'll identify levels of measurement here, nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio, based on specific data attributes. For practice questions two, you'll match the level of measurement to the appropriate statistical methods and explore bivariate relationships. For practice questions three, topics will include sampling distributions, confidence intervals, and interpreting p-values. Practice questions four, there you'll apply the chi-square test to analyze relationships between categorical variables. For practice questions five, you'll explore and interpret one sample, independent samples, and paired samples t-test. For practice question six, you will analyze variance among multiple groups and learn non-parametric alternatives for small or non-normal samples. Practice question sevens, and there you will practice calculating and interpreting Pearson's correlation coefficient to assess relationships between variables. Exam one is worth 20 points and will assess your understanding of the material covered so far in the course. This exam will be comprehensive, about midway, and mid-semester, and meaning, and it will also include questions from all aspects of the course, such as key concepts and examples from the required materials, content discussed during our sessions and provided resources, application-based tasks and statistical analysis we've worked on together, skills and knowledge gained from your practice questions and activities. Exam number two is worth 35 points and will also be a comprehensive exam administered near the end of the semester. This exam will cover material from all aspects of the course, including concepts and examples from required materials, key topics and explanations provided in the modules, practical applications of statistical methods, skills, and knowledge gained throughout the semester. Take advantage of these extra credit assignments to deepen your understanding of course material and boost your overall grade. Exercise one, level of measurement in bivariate statistics. There you will identify levels of measurement and apply corresponding statistics to analyze bivariate relationships. Exercise two, hypothesis testing. Practice hypothesis testing, including sampling distribution, confidence intervals, and p-values. Voluntary presentations. You'll create a presentation about 6 slides and 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, along with the following: research question and study population, independent and dependent variable with levels of measurement, supporting theory, alternative and null hypothesis, and you'll submit your PDF on Canvas by the due date. Again, take advantage of these opportunities to enhance your understanding of the material and improve your final grade. Thank you for watching, and I'm so excited to begin this online course with you. Whether you're working from home, the library, or anywhere else, I hope you feel supported and ready to engage with the material and make the most of this learning experience. Let's make this a great semester together. Have an amazing first week and see you online.